Hello! In this video I will show you how to enable parental control on NUBIA Z60 Ultra. So you have to start by opening your settings application and then scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family and then click on Parental Controls. Now click Get Started and then select Child or Teen. Now click Next. Now click on Add or Create Account for your child and then select Google. Now you have to enter your child email address. Then click Next. And here you have to enter your child password. Now you can decide if you want to turn on your backup or not, and then click I agree. Now click on More and Accept. And here you have to select your account, and now you have to enter your parent email address. Then click Next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll all the way down, and here you have to enter your child password again. Now click Next. And here scroll down and click Next. Now click Next again, and here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip, and then you can install this app manually, and then click on Review Controls. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.